Hey guys, it's Taylor from ClickBank bringing you a new set of top digital offers for beginners. We've handpicked 3 quality digital offers so that you can start promoting no matter what level of experience you have as an affiliate. Now, a lot of ClickBank's top digital offers require you to apply and be whitelisted by the seller before you can promote it, which isn't a problem for most established affiliates. But if you're still new to the game, we want to point you towards offers that you can start promoting right now. Coming in at number 3, we have the plant-based cookbook. As a part of a niche that's worth more than $3 billion, vegans clearly like to eat well. The actual plant-based cookbook product is a digital ebook packed with more than 100 delicious recipes. It's literally perfect for anyone on a vegan diet. But you can also sell this to one of your general weight loss audiences. You just have to emphasize the benefits of plant-based diets. If you have any kind of health and fitness audience, give the plant-based cookbook a go. Coming in at number 2, we have Ted's Woodworking. You might have heard about this offer before, and that's because it converts. It also has some real staying power. After debuting in 2010, Ted's is still going strong all these years later. Part of this is because Ted's Woodworking is an evergreen digital offer. Somebody somewhere will always want to learn how to do woodworking. And at the same time, it happens to be a very generous offer for any woodworking enthusiast, providing more than 16,000 individual woodworking plans. Look guys, ultimately, Ted's Woodworking is a fantastic product for affiliates to promote. With a strong conversion rate of more than 1% and an excellent payout value of more than $77 per sale for affiliates. And at number 1, we have Eat Stop Eat. It has returned to our list of top 10 products on ClickBank Marketplace, which is no easy feat for a product that first launched on ClickBank in 2007. This is the most popular intermittent fasting weight loss program online, with both digital ebook versions and physical book option, as well as VIP email coaching and a bonus quick start guide. So what makes Eat Stop Eat so special is its new approach to weight loss. Rather than focusing so much on the daily calorie counting, the program educates customers about how our ancestors used to keep their overall calories low enough to stay lean year-round. So if you're promoting Eat Stop Eat, you can expect a 40% upsell conversion rate, a commission rate of 90% for getting whitelisted, and a great selection of swipes. Right now, the offer is seeing a strong average conversion rate of more than 8% and average payouts of over $28 per sale. This is easily one of the best digital offers around right now, so be sure to check it out. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this quick video on the top 3 digital offers for beginners on ClickBank. Just remember, we have a full list of top products for beginners and a list of other digital offers you can promote in the description below. So feel free to click the links below to see those. We'll see you guys next time, and let's make some bank.